Okay, hi everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get started with Explain Everything. How to open it, create the project, add content, edit, record, and share. Now, let's begin. So at first, open your browser and go to the Explain Everything Drive page. If you're not signed in, log in using your email like this. I log in my account here, and once logged in, you'll be at the home or library screen where you can see your previous project or create a new one. When you start the, kung nakapag-login ka na, mapupunta na dito. Ayan, nakikita mo yung home, no? Then, click the new project here, the new project. It's opening already. And we have here the video and record if you want to record something and you will share it. And yes, and if naka-open na siya, choose whether you want a blank canvas or start from a template. A blank canvas is good when you want to start from scratch. If you already have slides, images, or a PDF you want to annotate, choose the import option instead. Yes, and here the import. But now I will choose the blank canvas. Yes, like opening. We don't have. Wow. Yeah. And then now you have a canvas. It's practically infinite, meaning you can draw or place content without worrying about running out of space. This is one of the powerful features of Explain Everything. And you can draw um, a good method of this. Like for example, you want to draw a house, very elementary, and then yes, we can highlight also. Should you know how here the erase. You can have erase. We will erase everything. Okay, here is the point toolbar. You can use tools like draw, pen, highlighter to write, or draw freehand. There's a full color palette and you can set the stroke or fill colors. You can also move, scale, rotate, and object place so everything there is very flexible. Because you can have this. And you can flip it, you can change the color. I want it transparent like that. Right? You can drag it all you want. Delete it. Next is adding content. Media, text, files, web, etc. To add the content, click the Add or Insert Media button on the toolbar. From there, you can insert images, video, PDF. here. And have a clip art here. The world. And delete it afterwards. You can also live web browser here window useful if you want to load a web page or show online content. If you are a teacher, you can explain it here like you're in the whiteboard. And next, ayan, yung ginawa ko kanina ang text boxes or sticky notes. We have this sticky note here. For example, I will write my name. Yes, I will write. Right, if you have any, if you want to create a reviewer, you can use this. It's easy to use, guys. You can also add PDF or PowerPoint. Here, the file on this device. G Drive also. And you can have the picture kunwari this one. Hindi natin sinas. Pogi. Yan. It's easy to use. Oh, lagay natin. Lalagay tayo na wait lang. Natin. So, yes. Naglaro na lang. Pero naman tanggalin. Delete it afterwards. All inserted items can be moved, scaled, rotated, and you can lock them so they don't move accidentally. This makes organizing your content easier. Like what I did earlier, right? My shape tool. A square. You can drag it all you want. Rotate it. And if you want to lock it here, you can move it and then lock it, of course. Also, one of the best features is you can record everything, your drawings, annotations, your voice, and export as a video. After recording, you can edit the video, trim parts, cut out mistakes, speed up and slow down segments, and even rearrange things. Once you're happy, export your project as a video, GIF, or share as an interactive. Here at the bottom, the video, start recording, and the speaker. I will use this later. And also explain everything isn't just for a solo use. You can invite others to join your canvas, useful for group work, brainstorming, and co-teaching. Here, yes, I'm the owner. You can invite code, the link, invite people, QR code. You can share it once. When you collaborate, everything remains editable. So any collaborator can move objects, annotate, or contribute. This is great for group project or distance learning. The tips is before presenting or teaching. Here are some quick tips before you explain everything in real class or meeting. Prepare your materials ahead of time. Import slides, PDF images so you don't waste time during recording. Do a quick test run, record a short clip to check audio visibility and layout. Use collaborating, teaching, invite participants to share link well ahead of time so they can join easily. Now, and that's it. You you now know how to create a new project and explain everything. Add and organize content, record your session, collaborate, and share your work. Feel free to explore the tools, but try a few sample projects, and once you're comfortable, you can start making audio lessons, presentation, or collaborative project. If you want, I can also write a ready-made here. Ding!